In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Instagram black screen step by step. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. So to do that, go to your App Store and update your Instagram. So why do we need to update our Instagram? It is because Instagram might have fixed those bugs and glitches in the latest version. And then the next thing you can try to do is go to your settings and tap on apps. So in here, just search for Instagram. So tap on storage and tap on clear data. This will clean out all of the cache and corrupted files that are associated with the apps and should hopefully solve your problem. So in case it didn't fix the issue, the next thing I recommend is uninstall and install the Instagram app. So if this method doesn't solve the problem, the final solution is to sideload the old version of the Instagram app. So just search on Instagram download APK and then tap on up2down.com. So in here, scroll down and click on older version. So just choose in here the older version. Just make sure that you uninstall the latest version before you tap any of this to download. In here, tap download. And then it will download that version of Instagram app onto your device. And it should hopefully fix your issue. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please consider giving a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.